In a sunlit kitchen, a cheerful baker maps out 5 tiny challenges to brighten the town today for a brighter ordinary day. He sprints a blindfolded taste test, a spontaneous street performance, and a 60-second charity doodle all live. Viewers vote on which gambit brings the biggest smiles, while props tumble and neighbors cheer from sidewalks. By sunset, the town gathers for a casual recap, savoring warm pastries that echo the day's playful energy. This daily vlog proves ordinary streets glow when curiosity leads, laughter follows, and community anchors every moment.